Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, August 8th and 9th, 2015. And we have a system that's going to be moving off the southeastern U.S. coastline and heading rapidly northeast here. It's going to be out of our area here, not affecting our area whatsoever. Maybe just a few wind gusts here along the extreme coastline here of New Jersey here on Saturday, but that's about it. But we have mostly sunny skies, low humidity both Saturday and Sunday. Here's a look at Saturday, not much going on here. Moving ahead to Sunday, pretty much the same deal. Wash, rinse, repeat, and we get into this is the remnants of what is moving off to the rapidly northeast here and out of our coverage area here. The next area of concern is going to be focused on Monday here. Now Monday here late in the afternoon, you might have a prefrontal trough. There's actually a system here that's moving in from the west here. Might be a prefrontal trough here boundary that's going to set up here. This would favor our western counties for an isolated thunderstorm. We kept an isolated threat here in this area here, mainly across Pennsylvania. But really not impressed with any convection. A lot of dry air to work through here, and there's really not a lot for these storms to initiate. But if they do, it would favor our western areas for the most part. Going into the evening hours, though, we have the system moving in from the west here that has an associated cold front. Here's your air low pressure. It's going to move up in this direction like this. Have a cold front that's back here like this with it. And all this shower thunderstorm activity will move through our area in the overnight hours, it looks like, on Monday night. It's going to be a very close call, for some outdoor concerts here. Music Fest here. We'll keep a close eye on it. Of course, Jerry Seinfeld's performing here on Monday night. But we are keeping the timing a little bit later. It should be, as of right now, it looks like it should be dry. But we're going to keep a close eye on that with the timing. If this does speed up at all, we might have to deal with some showers and thunderstorms interrupting some venues at Music Fest here in Bethlehem, where we were at tonight. We're going to be out there tomorrow as well, and Monday if need be. Here is a look at Tuesday. This is early morning here on Tuesday. Most of the model guidance has this moving through pretty quickly here. So the area low pressure comes up here like this. Here's your cold front situated back here like this. And this is going to clear out from west to east very rapidly. So I think it might be one of those deals where it's just raining and possible embedded thunderstorms up through the morning. And then we might have clearing in the afternoon, maybe worst case mid-afternoon as this moves in from west to east here. So this is not an all-day event here on Tuesday. I do think it clears out at some point. And then we get into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, high pressures in control sitting right over western Pennsylvania, maybe the eastern Ohio Valley, and that's going to be in control of weather straight through next weekend, it looks like. Doesn't look like we're going to have to deal with any precipitation for the entire 10-day period. Here's a look all the way to Sunday here. Sunday is looking dry as well. Might have another disturbance moving in for the earlier part of the following week. We're getting out quite a bit here. So really looking at just this precipitation coming in through Monday and Tuesday is the only chance of precipitation we have in the next 10 days, it looks like. I know some of you have been really asking when we get some appreciable rainfall. This is really not a pattern we're in right now to sustain some big storms that are going to last with some heavy rainfall. We had our chance here Thursday, Friday time frame here with a system passing near south that went a little bit too far south, was too weak, and ended up just aimlessly going out to sea here and just giving our southern counties some light rain, and that's it. So really not a lot of big storms on the horizon here. This is just a cold front passage here with some low pressure enhancement. So we'll have to hope for the best. If you want some rain here, maybe somebody gets an inch of rain out of this on in the Monday, Tuesday time frame, but that's about it. That's all we're looking at in the next 10 days. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for the weekend, August 8th and 9th, 2015. Have a great weekend.